Mani ha. Oh. Sige, wait mo ta. Okay, wait. Okay. You want to do this, anak? Like this. Oh, wait mo lang si mami ha. Oh, what shape is this, anak? Oh, what shape is that? Oh, wait mo lang, gugupit pa ni mami. Bilis-bilis mo eh. Excited ka. I want to paint na. Heart? Wala pang blue. Wait mo si mami. Wait. Yun. Paste mo na. Nasaan yung blue mo? Yun. Blue mo na. Oh, wait. Very good naman. Paste mo na. Paste. Okay. Next. Ayos mo. Okay. This one. Rectangle. Wow. This one. What shape is this? What shape is this? A star. Okay. Okay. Tapos na tayo? Stop na? Stop na? Lalagay ka. Sige. Okay. Paste it na. Paste mo na dyan. Paste na. Okay. Done. Done with this na, baby. No more na. Let's go na. Stop na. More? You want more? More? More. Oh, ito. This one. Ayan. Meron ako ditong red color. Ayan. Para nabibikit mo na. What color is this? Where are you going to put this? Put. Saan yan? Okay. Next. Okay, next one. Wait. Purple. Yay! Sorry. Okay. Saan nilalagay? We're going to paste that. Galing na. Here. Okay, next. Is that blue? Lala, nabikit na. Saan ka lang? Sige, try again. Try again. Saan yan? Ayun, ito. About this one. May isa kang mali. Ayun, Yellow. Saan yan, meron pa bang circle dyan? Ito na lang. Okay, change mo na to. Yan. Okay, done. Stop na tayo. Stop na. You want more? Okay. More. Here. What sounds is this? Okay. Put mommy and baby wait. You color. What sound? Ano sound yan?